Hi there. Welcome to the Office 360 Rapid Entry tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be covering how to use the Rapid Entry tool when ordering. To begin, log into our website with your normal username and password. For this example, I'm going to be using our demo account. If you know what the part numbers are that you're wanting to purchase, you can use the Rapid Entry tool to quickly order items. To navigate to the tool, go to the Quick Links tab and select Rapid Entry. For this example, we'll use 3 items in the tool: hand sanitizer, Post-it notes, and toilet tissue. Here you can see they automatically come up with the quantity of 1 and the unit of measure of each. However, you can quickly go in and change that. Here you can also add a reference number, such as a PO number, and select your department. If you scroll to the bottom of the screen, you can add this to a shopping list or add to cart. So there you have it. If you have any questions that we don't cover, you can always reach out to our wonderful customer service team. Thanks for watching.